Huge shoutouts to one of the developers of upSHIB and also Moon Thunder, as this guy is one of the best I've ever known. He's a very chill dude, and he just changed my life. Huge shout out to him. As I said before, thank you so much. Yes, this is me talking to you and thanking you. Thank you so much. Hello guys, Flash here from here. Today we're going to discuss about upSHIB. This is a new cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain. It is only 1 day old and has already 4,000 holders. Like any other Shiba Inu coins, this is something very unique and very nice. With that being said, let's get right into the video. And one more thing guys, I hope you guys like this, the SpongeBob team in the background and also my palm over here. I think that's really nice. So hopping onto their website here, welcome to upSHIB fans. The pre-sale was sold in 1 minute because this token was posted in a group where a lot of investors were interested, and as I said before, it was sold in 1 minute. They have locked liquidity for 100 years and it is listed on PancakeSwap. I'll show you guys later in the video. So scrolling a bit down on the about section, like any true upSHIB, security makes us happy. That's why it's only intrinsic nature for upSHIB to conduct the safest possible route of raising funds. Taking a look at the roadmap. So pre-sale on dxsale already done, listed on PancakeSwap already done, locked liquidity until 2100 already done, CoinGecko applied, and frequent Reddit posts. First TikTok post, first YouTube video. This is the first YouTube video. Website v2, so we're going to have a revamp on the website, audit and Twitter content, and then CoinMarketCap application, Coin Hunt, Coin Paprika, a lot of exchanges application and other big ones. So moving on to the tokenomics, there's a 6% tax on every transaction, 3% goes to the holders back, 1% is burnt, and 2% is going to the marketing. So moving on to the chart, this token is only 15 hours old at the time of recording. You can see it had a massive bump, 1.4 million in volume. Then it's going up and down, and I think here will go a little bit down. This is just a prediction guys, and then it will go up a little bit more. Quick disclaimer guys, everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only, and always do your own research before buying any of these tokens. Moving on to the BSC scan, as I said before, this token is only 15 hours old and has already 4,000 holders. If you guys want to check it for yourself, here is the smart contract. I also suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 3,400 members and following them on Twitter, where they post updates and everything that's been going on with this token. Now I want to show you guys on how to buy this token, as it doesn't have a buy now token on your website. Firstly, you'll have to go scroll down or up here, click on the Binance stuff, so on the BSC scan. It will redirect you to the contract address. Click on upSHIB, then it will give you the entire summary, so you can see the holders and everything else. Just copy this contract address, go on PancakeSwap and click on the token you want to swap, BNB4, paste the token, upSHIB is going to pop up, and now you need Trust Wallet or MetaMask with BNB in it. Just put whatever amount you want to swap. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 7%. Click swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just confirm it. That being said for today's video guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to check out upSHIB, the links will be in the description, and flash out.